In this video, I'll show you how you can connect GitHub to Claude AI. So open up your web browser and go to Claude. Once you're in Claude and you've signed in, we can go ahead and connect it. So enter in your email and sign in to Claude. Here we are in Claude. We can go to the profile icon in the bottom left-hand corner. You can then click on Settings. Here you are in Settings. You want to go to Connectors on the left. If it's moved, we can just go to the Customize icon. And then what we can do is go ahead and connect it. Now you're in Connectors. You will now want to go to this search box and type in GitHub. And you should be able to then find it, GitHub integration. Click on this and then you'll be able to see it. You can go ahead and click connect and it will redirect you to GitHub, where you will then need to log in to your GitHub account. Do that and click sign in and make sure you authorize access. Now we're connecting to GitHub, and here in the connectors section, you can see that has all been connected. We can now go back and we've now connected GitHub to Claude.